Hi Rams, my name is Kareen, and today on Snapshot we're going to be taking a closer look at the Career Center. For a lot of students who are currently in university, and especially the ones who are graduating, there's one big question on our minds. What kind of job am I going to get? How do I develop my career, and where can my degree take me? Luckily, the Career Center is here to help. The mission here is to help students maximize their potential as skilled professionals. So let's find out exactly how the Career Center does this.
My name is EGBO and I'm a Campus Engagement Specialist. Here at the Career Center, we offer a wide variety of events for our employer partners and students to connect with one another. Two of these events include career fairs and information sessions, which we call Industry Connect. Career fairs are larger scale, where we have anywhere between 800 to 1,300 Ryerson students and alumni attend, and we invite anywhere from 50 to 100 employers who are looking to hire Ryerson students. And these events are targeted from summer work experience fairs to new grad employment to part-time jobs and jobs that are relevant to science, technology, engineering, and math sectors. Information sessions, on the other hand, are a bit smaller. They're more targeted, where employers can get 2 hours to connect with a specific student group that they're looking to meet on campus.
I'm CHRISTINA LIANG. I'm the Administrative Coordinator at the Career Center. I also oversee the On-Campus Career Boost program at Ryerson. The On-Campus Ryerson Career Boost program is a paid employment program specialized in helping students to find on-campus opportunities while helping them to build their long-term career goals and also to start building their professional career network while they're on campus at Ryerson. So for the on-campus program, we have various types of roles, including but not limited to communication, multimedia and design, customer service, research, peer support, and a lot more.
Hi, my name is JEAN-PIERRE. I'm a Campus Engagement Specialist with the Ryerson Career Center. We realize that we are on one of Canada's most diverse campuses, and we want to ensure that we're reaching all of our students. And so we've done programming that really focuses on those equity-seeking groups that maybe aren't as always supported through the programming that's offered through a Career Center. So we do things like Voices of Experience, which is a panel that looks to bring in individuals from different equity-seeking groups to talk about their journey through employment. We also look to support our employer partners and helping them understand what are the needs of our students who are coming from diverse populations, and what are the ways that they can support them more effectively in the workplace.
My name is HARLEEN. I'm the Career Education Specialist for the Faculty of Community Services, and a lot of my role focuses on supporting students with career advising, so the one-on-one appointments that we meet with, as well as workshops and tutorials. So we do get a range of students, undergraduate as well as graduate students and alumni, who come in and want to know what they could do with their degree, so career pathways that they can look into, potential volunteer opportunities, job opportunities for summer, which is really important to get more experience and connect that academic theory and understanding that they're getting here at Ryerson. And then also another thing is what is pathways in terms of graduate school and beyond, and what they should go into. So there's a lot of different conversations that do happen, but we're always meeting the student where they're focusing on in terms of what their needs are as well.
As a Ryerson student, you have access to all these services and more right here at the Career Center. To learn more, visit ryerson.ca/career or follow @RyersonCareer on social media. Or visit the center in person, located here on the first floor of the podium building at Pod 60. Thanks for watching.